Affirm enables interest-free or low APR, 0 to 36% buy now, pay later financing on Amazon for eligible purchases over $50, such as electronics, furniture, or home goods. It's integrated via Amazon Pay with options like pay in 4 bi-weekly payments, or monthly plans up to 48 months. No impact on your credit score for eligibility checks. It's a soft inquiry. Not available for digital items, gift cards, Whole Foods, or orders under $50. As of 2025, it's seamless for US shoppers. Shop on Amazon, browse Amazon.com, or the app. Add eligible items to your cart, total 50 plus. Avoid restricted categories like Kindle books or Amazon Fresh. Proceed to checkout. Click Proceed to checkout. Under Payment Method, select Amazon Pay or other payment options. Choose Affirm. Click Change next to your payment method. Select Affirm from the list. If new, enter basic info, name, DOB, last 4 SSN digits for instant approval. Select Plan. Review personalized options, for example, Pay in 4, $100 order, $25 now, plus $325 payments. Choose based on APR and terms, no hidden fees. Confirm purchase. Agree to terms. Affirm pays Amazon upfront. You'll get a confirmation email with your schedule. Manage payments. Download the Affirm app, iOS or Android, or visit Affirm.com. Track via dashboard. Set autopay for reminders. First payment due at checkout or after shipping, up to 120 days. Tips. Estimate costs with Affirm's APR calculator before buying. For returns, process via Amazon. Affirm adjusts plans automatically. Build eligibility with on-time payments. Contact Affirm support 1-855-423-3729 for issues.